In this video, we will take a look at the interior communication light. The communication light is a new feature designed by Porsche, and the Macan Electric is the first model to receive it. It consists of 56 LEDs in the dashboard and dorsals and is linked to the ambient lighting. The new Macan's standard outfit includes the communication light and ambient lighting in every model. While both contribute to the interior's sleek technical atmosphere, the communication light goes further by enhancing safety and comfort through communicating situational feedback to the driver. Let me show you how. This right here is the Macan Turbo, equipped with the Sports Chrono package, which provides it with launch control and the Sport Plus driving mode. Let's start with launch control. I'll switch the driving mode to Sport Plus. As you can see, the ICL lights telling me that I am now in Sport Plus mode. Now to start launch control, you put 1 foot on the brake and 1 foot on the gas and press them pedal to the metal. You see what the communication light does and what it shows in the PCM. It's telling us it's ready to go. Ready, set, go! Let's go over to the more practical part. The communication light has several safety support features and provides situational feedback to get your attention or to increase your focus. For example, when using the optional lane change assistant, the communication light will blink up when the sensors spot someone in your blind spot. Before we start charging, let me show you how you can individualize the communication light settings. So each function can be activated or disabled individually. You go under Car and then Comfort. And here you can either disable the communication light entirely, or beneath that, you can switch individual functions on and off. Now, let's get some power. This is the communication light's signal for the charging process. The white light showed us that the car is connected to the charging port, while the green light is telling me that it is currently charging. Once it's done, the communication light will also inform me. If you're interested in getting to know your vehicle on a deeper level, feel free to watch our other spot-on videos.